I love my box. Hello beautiful, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Chanel. If you're not new, welcome back. Girl, it's BoxyCharm day. I know it is not Wednesday. And I'm gonna let you know now, I'm going back to uploading 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But you get a bonus video today because we got BoxyCharm, you guys. Yes. So since BoxyCharm is here, we're gonna go ahead and open it. And I had to go and check my my tracking to see which box this one is. So this one is actually my premium box. Yes, my premium box. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it right now with you guys and see what's inside. All right, y'all, I gotta use my little lash scissors to cut the packaging off, but that's okay. But as I'm cutting this open, you guys, okay, as I'm cutting this open, if you don't know what BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. And it's a beauty subscription box where you get makeup, skincare, and hair tools, sometimes even hair products, okay? And yeah, so it's not just makeup, it's beauty, and it's fun. Sometimes you even get lifestyle products depending on which tier you get. So like I said, this is the premium box. There is a base box, $25 a month. There's a premium box, which is this one, which is $35 a month. And every 3rd month, 4 times out the year, you're able to get a luxe box if you have the base box and you want to upgrade to that, and that is $49.99. I will try to leave all that information down below in the description box. Like I said, I will try, but there is a link to BoxyCharm down below if you want to just go ahead and sign up for yourself, okay? So premium box, here we go. Ooh, okay, that's a pretty card. So this is how my box is looking after it done hit me in the face, you guys. So this is a pretty card. The card on top, you know, BoxyCharm does the card, tells you what, on the back here, tells you what's in the box and the retail value of the products and a little brief description on how to use the items. So the theme for this month is sweet treats. Perfect time for spring and Easter, I guess. So yeah, there we go. So jumping into my first item, you guys, you know what? I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I was super excited about this box because there was an item I wanted. I didn't get that item. I see that clearly right now. So right now off the bat, I am not happy. But I'm not disappointed quite yet either. But we're gonna keep going and, you know, see what happens. So the first thing I got in my hand here is from Wonder Beauty right here. And this is their Do Not Disturb Overnight Repair Concentrate. You guys, I'm super into skincare. I get a lot of skincare from BoxyCharm. But then sometimes I don't want the skincare, but I'm interested in trying this out. And if I'm not mistaken, this has retinoid or something like that in here. Let me read it. So this product here is formulated with 1% retinoid to amp up your skin's natural renewal cycle and help diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, uneven skin tone and texture. Squalene and peptides hydrate skin and improve elasticity, while dragon's blood helps smooth skin from environmental stressors faced during the day. Dragon's blood. Okay, so this here retails for $68. Let's go ahead and see what you look like. I might be introducing this into like my skincare. I might gotta do another skincare routine here. Oh, this is pretty. So this is what it looks like right here. This is fancy, $68. Very reflective on top, you guys. It's 40 milliliters and it looks like this, and it has a pump action here. Of course, I'm not going to use it yet, so we're just gonna put that to the side here. Next, so we're just gonna dig in here and grab something. What is this? This is I don't know. This is what it looks like. Let me see what it is. I believe it's pronounced Rosen Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. Okay, this is a non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango grape seed oils. To hydrate and protect, it provides a high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. This here retails for $26, and I have the shade Charlie. So let's see what Charlie looks like. Oh, you guys, this is so pretty. This is so pretty, you guys. Isn't that so pretty? I am like so curious to see what this looks like. Ooh. Ew, you guys, look at that. Ooh, that is so pretty. It's sheer, but yet it looks like it would enhance your lips. And it feels, ooh, damn, that smells good. It has like a mint scent. And it smells so good. Oh, you guys, I might like this. I don't know. We'll try this out. We'll test it out. Put that right back in the box. The next item I'm pulling out of the box is from the brand Marc Jacobs. This is their see-quins. Their Glam Glitter Liquid Eyeshadow. Okay. And this is in the shade Shimmy Dip. Okay. Instead of Skinny Dip, it's Shimmy Dip. This here retails for $26. Okay. And let's see what the shade looks. Okay. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It's like a pretty gold yellow shade here. I'm not gonna knock it, y'all. We gonna try this out. You know, I'm gonna try it out. It's pretty, you know. It's a shade I'm not accustomed to. Whoa. Like, you guys see that? That is so pretty. Like, that is so reflective. I know what kind of look I want to do with this. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay. All right. I like that. Next, I'm going right back in this box right here. And next, I got something from Dose of Colors. Oh, it's the eyeliner. And I got the shade Unbox. Well, that's what I'm currently doing right now. I'm unboxing my BoxyCharm. And this here from Dose of Colors retails for $15. So $15 eyeliner, you guys. And I guess that's a shade right there. And it's an eyeliner. Ooh, very kind of skinny. Let's put you right here. Let's see. Ooh, that is so soft. Like, it goes on very nice. Very nice. Ooh, that is a pretty color. Y'all, that's a pretty color for every day. I like this. I like it. I don't know if it smears. Let's see if it smears. So you can probably smear it out with a brush, but it looks like it'll be on there pretty good. Well, that's nice. I like it. I like it. The next thing I got here is from Marc Jacobs. This is their Undercover Blurring Coconut Face Primer. This is the thing I was kind of, I won't say I'm disappointed about this, but I really wanted the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Primer. I didn't get that. That's okay. But I got, this is the Blurring Perfection primer here from Marc Jacobs. And this here retails for $39. And I am going to open this, see what it looks like. Ooh, that is a pretty little primer here, you guys. That's really, really pretty. Look at that. It's pretty and white. I hope I don't get this dirty, y'all, but you know, we can't make no promises. Okay, so that's what the little, I want to see what this looks like, you guys. So, oh, it's like a clear silicone looking primer. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's silicone base. Ooh, but it feels nice on the skin. Ooh, it's like blurring and it's not shiny. It's like mattifying slightly my hand. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's right there. It's like kind of making it mattified. very slightly. Ooh, okay, maybe. Okay. Don't play with this. And the last thing in my box here. Honestly, you guys, I think this was my, I think this is my choice item here. This was my choice item. And I believe it was this one here is my choice item as well. This is the Coral palette. And this is, I'm pulling it out the box, you guys, from Natasha Denona. And this here retails for $48. This is their Coral palette. Oh, it's a 5-pan eyeshadow palette. Ooh, you guys, I think the last Natasha Denona palette that came from BoxyCharm was the Peak palette. And that was exclusive to BoxyCharm. And you guys, I like that palette. I love that palette. So this is my second Natasha Denona palette. That is what it looks like. So pretty, you guys. So let me open it up. Ooh. Those colors are pretty. Let me get the other Natasha Denona palette that I received and compare the two. So these are my two palettes here. You can see that down here we have the Peak palette and we have the Coral palette up here. They're just so pretty. Look at the shades, they're like similar. Oh, so pretty, you guys. I cannot wait to jump into this palette, and I'm super happy that this palette right here came in a box. Like, you guys, this box is so pretty. So pretty. I might end up keeping it in the box, y'all. I don't know. But this palette is so pretty. I can't wait to play with it. Oh, by the way, I am wearing lashes today, you guys. Can y'all believe that? Like, I got on some lashes and I'm talking to y'all. Alright, you guys, so that is everything that I got in my BoxyCharm Premium box, you guys. I know at the beginning of this video I said I was kind of disappointed. Well, you know, I wasn't happy because I didn't get what I was wanting. But I think this baby might be promising, okay? And in all honesty, I got a lot of makeup products in this box. You guys, I don't want anything to fall out of the packaging, so I forgot to close the bag. But y'all, I got 5 makeup products right here in my hands. Super excited about that. So super excited. And this time around I got one skincare product. I am really excited to try this because this was my choice item from Wander Beauty, the Do Not Disturb Overnight Skincare Concentrate. I cannot wait to try this. I think I'm gonna try it tonight and slowly add it into my skincare because I have a pretty good skincare routine right now already. I done switched up some products, but it's pretty good. And I think I'm gonna throw this in there and see what happens. Yeah, you guys, that is everything in my BoxyCharm Premium. I'm super excited. Can't wait to play and dig in with everything. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by and hanging out with me. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and consider subscribing so you can be notified when I play with these products to let you guys know my opinion. And every 3 months, I go back to the previous months to talk about the products I've used and I've recently gotten out of BoxyCharm. And this month actually starts a new month for the next 3 months. So, you guys, we got some time. If you haven't seen my last video of me reviewing the first 3 months of BoxyCharm, I'll make sure I link it up in the card, so at least at the end screen for you guys to go ahead and check out. Thank you so much for watching. Always remember to embrace your beauty, and I'll talk to you guys again later. Bye.